Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another prize, which is the 1972 Suzuki GT750. What we're going to do, we'll start her up for you so you can see what she sounds like. So it's been fully restored to a high standard. As you can see, the condition's lovely. Beautiful paint job. All polished cases. You got this beautiful big 4-leading shoe drum brake at the front. It's all nicely polished. Because it's the J model, it's in this pink colour scheme. But the paint's really nice. It's even got its original silencers with those black end cones. It's a really nice engine. Looking nice and shiny in the sun today. There you are, Suzuki GT750 on the seat. There's your 4 pipes. Okay, so what you need to do, turn your ignition key on. We have had it running this morning, so if it was cold you need to put this lever here around like a choke. Then once it's started and warmed up a bit, you can let her off. And when it's cold you want to turn it all the way around to prime, start it, and then it's run for a bit. Turn it all the way to on, got reserve here. And you come around here and go over to the switch, make sure it's on run, press your start button. There we are. Runs like a treat, starts on the button. What more could you want? If you fancy a ticket, go to www.theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. They're $2.99 and you could be in the chance to win this beautiful machine. Okay, there we are. Thank you for everyone who's watching, and we'll see you again. Bye bye.